Apa kabar sayangs? Welcome back to the family. Welcome back to the family. Wait. One more time. Apa kabar sayangs? Welcome back to my channel. And yes, if you've noticed, I actually changed my hair color. It was a pretty impulsive decision. I saw Jesus' photo here on Instagram and I was like, wow, I love this hair color. So I went to my salon and I showed them the picture and bam, I'm a copper/red head now. Okay, it's middle of the year and I'm restarting my favorite series. It's a bit awkward, but never mind, yang penting Charis buat juga series favorites ni kan? Anyway, if you guys don't know what a favorites video is, it's basically me sharing with you the things that I've been loving and have been using for the past month, and hopefully you guys will find my recommendations useful. And without further ado, let's dive into May favorites. The first thing I want to talk about are these hair clips from an Instagram store called the BUTTERCUP CLUP, and these pearl clip-on ones were gifted to me, but I also ended up buying more, and these are basically the same. They're pearled as well, but in a more minimal design. I've been just wearing them so much whenever I go out and when I have photo shoots as well, and I just freaking love them. On days where I don't know what to do with my hair, I just, just pop it on like that and I am good to go. If you guys don't know, Charis is a one-stop beauty platform where you can get any K-beauty items, and they have a wide selection of brands to choose from that are affordable, and they also ship to Malaysia, which is a plus point. Recently, I've tried their own mask, and it's called the Charis M+ Madecassoside Cica mask. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. There are 5 sheets in a box, and so far I've used 2. I like how moisturizing it is, and it has tiger leaf and cactus extract, which helps to calm and repair your skin. The other night I had a rash around my nose. For some reason, this part of my face is very sensitive. So I panicked a little bit and I threw this on to help soothe it down, and immediately my skin wasn't as itchy anymore, and the next day it was completely gone. Either my skin has a supersonic healing power or it's because of this mask, and I think it's the latter. Anyway, the original price for this mask is 53 ringgit, but if you get it via my shop on the website, it is only 46 ringgit. I'll just link it in the description box down below so you can check it out. The next one is also a skincare favorite, and it is KIEHL'S Ultralight Daily UV Defense Aqua Gel Sunscreen. Oh my word, the product's name is longer than my name. Anyway, if you guys know me well enough, you know that I will never ever leave the house without sunscreen, and I need the protection because the sun is super unforgiving in Malaysia. Besides the UV ray protection, this sunscreen also helps to protect your skin from pollution as well. And I basically live in the heart of KL, and I'm surrounded by harmful pollutants daily. So this is definitely the perfect sunscreen for you if you want to also, protect your skin from pollution and not just the UV rays from the sun. What I love most about this sunscreen is that it absorbs very quickly. I'm going to show you guys. And it has a lightweight texture. See? Ta-da! All absorbed by my skin. And it's fragrance free and it's suitable for all skin types. My next favorite is, of course, ETUDE's Better Lips Top Lipsticks, and it has been such a journey to be able to represent Malaysia as a global honorary ambassador for this collection, and the whole entire experience, it was just amazing, and it was all captured in my previous vlog, so don't forget to check them out. But what I love most about this collection is that it has 60 shades, alright, in 2 different textures, glossy and velvet. I know a lot of people, they're very scared or skeptical to use matte and velvet lipsticks because it can be drying, and I understand that. For me, this collection, the velvet range is actually okay. Like I did a 60 shades video and I tried all the glossy and velvet lip colors, and surprisingly my lips were still fine. It was not dry at all. And yeah, up until today, I'm still quite amazed at the fact that my lips were not worn out. My favorite shade is, of course, PK003 Velvet, and it's called Mood Up. It's the official Malaysia shade that I chose for you guys. Yes, you, right there, the one who's watching. And it is a beautiful, beautiful color. And since the crutch rose trend is still ongoing, I've been wearing it throughout April and May, and I just cannot get enough. During that same trip to Seoul, I came across this hair serum in one of the ARPqEz in Myeongdong. The brand is called MISE. I actually googled how to pronounce it, but I don't think I'm doing it right. Anyway, Jenny is I think the spokeswoman, or I think it's Blackpink. But I saw her poster promoting this hair serum, and I was like, ooh, she uses it, maybe I should do it too. And I made a silly video about how I'm gonna get everything that she uses. Surprisingly, I got a few DMs saying that I should really get it because it's very good. And I was a bit skeptical at first. I was like, is it really that great? But my assistant Christine told me that she uses it too and asked me to get it. So I went ahead and got a bottle, and it has been such a game changer to my hair. Although my hair is not in its best condition from all the styling during shoots, especially CLUP Mickey Mouse, because I use a curling iron daily during back-to-back shoots, but this serum helped to reduce the breakage and also the frizz. Not sure if it's the same for you, but my hair gets tangled easily whenever I wash it. So when I get out of the shower with damp hair, I'll just apply 3 to 4 pumps on the ends of the hair, and it actually helps to smoothen my hair out quicker. And it's quite a funny story because I came across it coincidentally, and it is such a good buy. The next recommendation is a little bit different because it is a film that I've been absolutely loving, and although I might be a little bit late to jump on the US train, but here I am to urge those who have not watched it to watch it! Even from the trailer, after watching it, I'm like, yes, I have to watch this movie because I'm a huge psychological thriller fan. But don't get me wrong, I don't like horror. I don't like it when the hantu crawl from underneath the bed, from the ceiling, from the toilet bowl, you know, none of that. I actually don't like horror movies. I just love thriller, especially when they have underlying messages and also other Easter eggs about, you know, issues of society, life, or human being in general. I just love it. It just gets me so excited. So US is about a girl named Addie, and she's played by Lupita. I just want to say her acting is so spot on. So are the other cast members. I think they played the 2 versions of their characters very well. And yeah, basically it's about Addie and her family going on vacation near a beach, and one night a family just appeared in front of their house and they began to break in, and it is revealed that it is their doppelganger who's breaking in. And I'm just gonna leave it at that because I don't want to spoil it for you guys, but it is definitely a movie worth your time. And if you kind of analyze it more after watching it, it is actually more than meets the eye. Okay, that is the end of my favorites for May. But before you leave, please leave a comment in the comment section down below telling me your favorites. It could be a makeup product, skincare, film, book, music, anything at all. Please write it in the comment section and I will check them out. And of course, you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button to join the KIEHL'S family. We would really love to have you in this little community that we have. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye sayang!